Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses. They are packed with essential nutrients. Let's explore their amazing benefits. Despite their small size, chia seeds are nutrient-rich. They contain fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. This makes them excellent for hydration. They also help you feel fuller for longer. Chia seeds are a top plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids. These are crucial for heart health. They reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol levels. Chia seeds support digestive health. With 11 grams of fiber per ounce, they promote regular bowel movements and help prevent constipation. Chia seeds provide sustained energy. Their combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats ensures a steady release of energy. Chia seeds help control appetite. Their fiber and protein content reduce overall calorie intake, aiding in weight management. Chia seeds are easy to use in various dishes. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, salads, and even baked goods without altering the flavor. Chia seeds were a staple for ancient Aztec and Mayan civilizations. They valued them for their energy-boosting properties. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants. These help protect cells from damage by free radicals, contributing to overall health and longevity. Incorporate chia seeds into your diet for a nutrient boost. Enjoy their benefits for hydration, heart health, digestion, energy, and weight management. Chia seeds truly are tiny powerhouses.